Welcome to Watch. Here is the market analysis brought by Macro Global Markets on June 13th. Market analysis. War broke out again in the Middle East. Israel attacked many suspected nuclear facilities in Iran, and market risk aversion pushed the bulls in the spot gold market to triumph all the way. The intraday market reached as high as $3,444.56 per ounce, and it is currently trading at around $3,422 per ounce. Recently, the market focuses on the trade tariffs and the recent progress of negotiations between the parties to geopolitical conflicts. At the same time, the future direction of the Fed's monetary policy will also affect the market direction. Gold market. At present, the spot gold hourly chart is in the main mood. Judging from the short-term 15-minute chart, the gold price is in a shock stage, with a shock range of $34.17 to $34.45, which can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in operation. If the afternoon market breaks 3,445 points, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can look at $34.55 to $34.65. If the afternoon market breaks 3,417 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the lower target can look at $34.07 to $33.97. Stop losses are all $5. Forex market. Euro to US dollar. The exchange rate of euro to US dollar is in the shock stage in hours, and the 15-minute chart is in the shock stage. The 15-minute chart oscillates between 1.1503 and 1.1560, and the operating bank can sell at a high price and buy at a low price in this interval. If the market breaks 1.1560 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.1590 to 1.1620. If the afternoon market breaks 1.1503 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be seen at 1.1470 to 1.1420. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Pound sterling to US dollar. The exchange rate of pound sterling to US dollar is in the shock stage on the hourly chart and in the shock stage on the 15-minute chart, with a shock range of 1.3522 to 1.3578. If the market breaks 1.3578 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.3630 to 1.3690. If the afternoon market breaks 1.3522 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be seen at 1.3480 to 1.3430. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Australian dollar to US dollar. The exchange rate of Australian dollar to US dollar is in a shock stage in the hourly chart. The short-term 15-minute chart is in shock, and the shock range is 0.6455 to 0.6498. Operationally, you can sell at a high price and buy at a low price in this range. If the market breaks 0.6498 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 0.6550 to 0.6590. If the afternoon market breaks 0.6455 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be 0.6420 to 0.6380. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. US dollar to Japanese yen. The hourly chart of US dollar to Japanese yen exchange rate is in a shock stage. The short period 15-minute chart is in shock, and the shock interval is 142.78 to 143.90. If the market breaks 143.90 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 145.30 to 145.60. If the afternoon market breaks 142.78 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 142.20 to 141.80. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.20.